Hello again, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about reason 18 for polishing your shoes. I'm continuing as I did yesterday with this tiny amount of wax and then a tiny amount of water over and over again, and I'll keep doing this almost for the rest of the time I'm going to be talking to you. It's a lovely gentle way of spending time. When I was a kid, one of the things we did in a world without the internet was we went down the ditch. There were often land drains in towns and God knows what was in them, but we used to find them a marvellous place to play. We'd fish for sticklebacks and find frogs and toads. It was all about nature, especially when we were 9, 10, 11 years old. And down the ditch we would often slip down the muddy bank and get a boot full of water. And walking home, particularly on a wet cold day with a boot full of water, is among the most unpleasant things you can possibly do, especially when you're 9. Partly because you know you're going to get into trouble for it as well when you get home. So imagine on a cold, wet day walking around with wet feet, or walking around in these, which you've looked after, which are dry and comfortable and soft. It lifts your mood. When you look at them, it lifts your mood. You've made them shiny. You know they're well cared for. Reason number 18, it is a mood enhancer. Not only the fact that you're walking around in decently kept shoes that look good, but you've had this pleasurable time doing it. Reason 18. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow for reason 19.